Welcome to Home Decor USA. Today we're diving into one of the most underrated spaces in your home, the bathroom. Whether you're looking to revamp a small space or make a master bathroom truly magnificent, we've got some stylish and budget-friendly design ideas that will transform your bathroom into a relaxing oasis. Let's start with the first idea, playing with colors. Don't be afraid to go bold with your color choices. While white and neutral tones are timeless, adding a splash of color can make your bathroom stand out. Think rich emerald green tiles for a touch of luxury, or soft pastels for a calming spa-like atmosphere. Pair these with white accents to keep things balanced and not too overwhelming. Next up, let's talk about statement mirrors. Mirrors aren't just functional, they're a powerful design tool. A large, uniquely shaped mirror can become the focal point of your bathroom, reflecting light and making the space feel bigger. Whether it's round, oval, or geometric, a mirror with a distinctive frame can add personality and style. And the best part? You can find stunning options that fit any budget. Struggling with limited space? Try clever storage solutions. Wall-mounted shelves, floating vanities, and over-the-toilet cabinets can provide essential storage without cluttering the floor space. Consider using woven baskets to store towels and toiletries, adding both texture and practicality. And don't forget about the power of hooks. They're perfect for hanging robes, towels, or even decorative items. Lighting is crucial in bathroom design. Ditch the standard overhead light and go for statement lighting fixtures. A chandelier over a freestanding tub or industrial-style pendant lights over the vanity can instantly elevate the look. If you want a modern feel, try LED strip lighting under the vanity or around the mirror. Not only does this look chic, but it's also functional for those early morning routines. Bring the outside in with natural elements. Incorporating wood finishes, such as teak bath mats or bamboo shelving, adds warmth and a touch of nature. Complement these with some greenery. Potted plants or hanging ferns thrive in the humid environment of a bathroom and bring a sense of calm and freshness to the space. Plus, they're a natural air purifier. If you're dreaming of a touch of luxury, consider upgrading to gold or brass fixtures. Swapping out faucets, shower heads, and drawer pulls for these finishes can make your bathroom feel opulent without breaking the bank. Pair these with a simple white or black backdrop to let the metallic shine stand out. It's a small change with a big impact. Finally, don't forget to add personal touches. Art isn't just for the living room. Hanging framed prints or photographs can give your bathroom a cozy, lived-in feel. Add a plush, patterned rug to inject some character and warmth underfoot. These details make your bathroom not just a functional space, but a true reflection of your style. And there you have it. With these bathroom design ideas, you can create a space that's not only practical, but also a sanctuary of style and relaxation. Which idea will you try first? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest home design tips.